We are currently on a 16-day road trip through Norway. In the last video, we drove from Oslo to Flam. On the way, we checked out an epic waterfall and hiked to a glacier. This week, we're going to continue driving north, check out some beautiful fjords, and embark on this amazing hike.
Good morning. Today is not super physically demanding. All we have planned is a boat tour in the fjord, which I'm really excited about. But first, we're gonna go get some breakfast. We're packed and headed to our tour. We're a little late, but we'll be there in about 8 minutes. All right, we're about to suit up. It's really, really big.
It looks pretty good.
Okay, not gonna lie, I really do think the gas station was better.
Really?
You know, you try it.
Okay.
This place is super beautiful. The fjord tour was really awesome. I really enjoyed the mode of transportation because it went pretty fast and like you can get really far. It felt like we got pretty far. Obviously, it's really beautiful. The mountains, the fjord.
The thing that I like the most is like all these cool little farms and villages like along the fjord. They're really small. There's one place we passed by that has one permanent resident.
Yeah.
And there's tons of people vacationing, like summer homes, camping. I mean, these cliffs are just wild and these mountains are huge. So it's pretty stunning. And I bet in winter, it's crazy.
We're gonna go check out this kind of viewing point to see the similar fjord. Unfortunately, the road that we need to take to get to the viewpoint has sort of an accident where one car backed into a ditch and then this other really large car is stuck behind that car, so no one can pass by. It's a really small and it looks like really steep road, so there's a few cars waiting, but we decided to not wait because we really want to check out the stave church, and that's closing at 5 p.m. so we're gonna head over there instead. We're still hungry. We stopped at a gas station and we got some hot dog and pizza.
It's been like 3 minutes since the last clip.
Oh, that looks really good actually.
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
It's mostly dog.
Longest road tunnel in the entire world, I think.
Yep. I think it said 25 kilometers. It's crazy. It really feels like this tunnel goes on forever. insane. That tunnel took us about 21 minutes to get through. It felt very long. All right, after miles and miles of tunnel, we are finally here at the church. We're gonna go take a look. We are at the Borgund stave church. Not sure if I pronounced that correctly. But yeah, so these types of stave churches were built between 1130 and 1350, which is crazy. And there were thousands of them originally, but now there's only 28 left. Wow, that church is very metal. It's fully black.
That was really cool. It reminds me of Skyrim a lot. The architecture is very interesting and all the decorations and wooden carvings are so awesome. So the reason why the church is black is because it's painted with pine tar to keep the water out, and they have to repaint it every 5 to 6 years. So yeah, it's a lot of work and a whole lot of pine tar, but it smells really good. It smells like camping.
We just got to the hotel. We stopped by the grocery store to buy even more groceries, as you can see in Chris's hand.
Even though there were many tickets available yesterday, the ferry for the hike tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. that we wanted is sold out. So we have to take it at 8:30, and it's a half an hour drive to park, half an hour to get down on the shuttle. So we gotta leave here at 7:30 a.m. But it should be really fun. It's a 9-mile hike, 4,000 feet of elevation gain. So wish us the best. We're gonna go downstairs and double check when breakfast is and then go get some lunch provisions for tomorrow. Not looking forward to waking up.
Yeah, it really sucks that the ferry tickets are sold out for the time that we want. But it is supposed to be one of the best hikes in the world, so. We got these meatballs from the grocery store because the guy really recommended them. They're pretty good. If you imagine really, really fine ground meatballs, so their texture is not really like meat. It's like chicken nugget texture.
I just got this rot lager, and when I was checking out, the guy was like, and he looks at it and I was like, do you want to see my ID? And he's like, no, it's 8 o'clock. And it was literally like 15 seconds past 8 o'clock, and he's like, can't sell you this after 8 o'clock. And then he's like, okay, you were in line before 8, but just this once. And I was like, okay, it's fine, I don't need it if you don't want to give it to me. And he's like, no, it's okay. So apparently you can't buy beer after 8. I don't know if that's a Norway thing or a ski village thing, but I'm gonna look it up right now.
It's 9:30 and it is beautiful outside, but since we got an early morning tomorrow, we're gonna close up the blinds, close the windows, and pretend it's dark outside. It's exactly 7. It's breakfast time. We're on our way to the trailhead, but in order to get to the trailhead, we have to catch a shuttle bus to the ferry and then take a ferry to the trailhead. So it's kind of involved. It's about 7:30 right now, and we're headed to the shuttle bus. We're waiting for the bus that should be here in about 10 minutes to take us to the ferry dock. All right, we're starting. Just got off the boat. It's really pretty and the weather's really nice. It's like not too hot.
Lots of flowers around.
Yeah.
It's so green.
This hike is very popular. There are lots of people in front and behind us. The elevation is already intense. We haven't hiked for very long, but we've already gained a ton of elevation. All the way up here now. That's the lake where we got off the boat.
We found a good shade rock.
This is how many people there are on the trail today. The weather's really good, so there's like a non-stop stream of people. The view is really nice though. We're on break number 15 already. We're not even close to being up. But the view is really nice. Glacier over there, lake over there, big rock over there. It's a skyscraper trail marker. Now that the people have thinned out, this trail is really nice. It's super pretty. The terrain feels pretty rugged because it's not super kept, but it's actually what makes it fun. So we're both very excited to get to the rock climbing part. Wow, the view up here is spectacular. You can see so many lakes and rivers. We're doing full lunch?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat my sando.
Okay, I'll eat my wrap. I don't know about these raw onions.
Oh, it has raw onions.
Yeah. My breath will just taste like onions for the rest of the hike.
There's a very tiny glacier up there.
We just finished eating. We're gonna continue on. That's the ridge we gotta climb up. It looks really scenic, but very steep. This is looking more and more steep as we get closer. We gotta get on top there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really steep where we have to go up. Not looking forward to that. Views are still spectacular.
We're halfway up this ridge in the middle of these two lakes.
Once we get up there, We'll be walking along this ridge over here, down to the parking lot, way over there. Chris is hyped. Taking another break. We just went to the top of that one hill. We thought we're at the top of the whole thing, but no, we are not. There's another hill ahead of us. We thought we're at the top, but the top is over there. That's where we're going. Along this ridge over there. I keep getting fooled. I keep thinking we're at the top, but we're never at the top. We're still going up. At least it's not as steep as before. Please tell me this is the top. That was not the top. This is now the new top.
It's probably not the top either.
We hope that big pile of rocks is the top. We took another break by the giant pile of rocks, and now we're gonna continue on, and it looks like it's mostly downhill, maybe. Woohoo, we're about 10 kilometers in. We did it. We're done. Okay. According to my watch, that hike was 15.2 kilometers, and it took us 6 hours and 28 of active walking minutes.
I thought it was like pretty much the perfect hike. The conditions are perfect.
Yeah.
Like there's nothing like super hard, but it had some rock scrambling that was really fun.
That was fun, yeah.
The elevation was tough, but it wasn't like totally ridiculous.
Yeah. The hike is really fun. It's really good. I do think that I was disappointed by the views for probably a third of the hike, but the rest was obviously very pretty. We can see so far. The lakes are beautiful. But yeah, now we're gonna head back to the hotel, grab some groceries, and chill, because our legs are tired.
And we're gonna attempt to do laundry if we can.
Oh yeah. We are back at the hotel. We got some ice cream, rotisserie chicken, salads, among other things. We're gonna eat, shower, and chill and rest our sore feet.
Join us next time for some traditional Nordic farm life and another very cool glacier tour.